After living for 30 years, I realized that there are so many eating tips. 1. Inserting chopsticks into yams can peel normally, and I'm no longer afraid of itching my hands. 2. When eating hot pot, there is too much oil in the soup. Put some ice cubes in the soup spoon, put the spoon in the soup and rotate it for a circle, and the oil will be brought out when it cools. 3. You can't finish buying too many potatoes, so putting them together with apples can prevent them from sprouting. 4. What about the black oil left over from frying things at home? Stir a spoonful of starch and a spoonful of water evenly, fry at 60% oil temperature, fully absorb impurities in the oil, fry until the starch solidifies and remove, to see if the oil has become clear. 5. Pour boiling water on the fish and you can easily peel off the skin. 6. You can't eat all the medicine at once. Follow me to do this. First, use scissors to cut it twice, then start folding, about 2 to 3 times, and then soak the cut part on the bag. This completes the sealing. 7. Apply transparent adhesive to the bottom of the tomato and keep it fresh for 2 weeks. 8. Never soak frozen meat directly in water. I will teach you how to thaw frozen meat in 3 minutes. Sprinkle 300 grains of salt, 20 milliliters of white vinegar, and pour warm water to soak for 3 minutes. This way, the thawed meat will taste better than the newly bought one. 9. Using a fork to hold the blind man's side and pull it up can remove both the shrimp shell and the shrimp line. 11. Band-aid should be used this way for a tighter fit. 12. When the rice is cooked into porridge, place a piece of bread on top and wait for 2 minutes before the water is absorbed by the bread. 13. The mango bought cheaply is not ripe, so bury it in rice and you can quickly roll it out. 14. The top half of the bottle is perforated at the mouth, a straw is inserted, and a fresh keeping bag is inserted. Facing the tail of the hairdryer is open to make a vacuum packaging. 15. 99% of the people I call are directly pulled apart, and then it should be like this, and then it should be like this.